In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription step by step. Whether you want more features or you're looking to reduce your monthly cost, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple way. Let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser and go to the official QuickBooks website, then log in with your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. From the drop-down menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. In some versions, you may need to click on Account and Settings first, and then go to the Billing and Subscription tab. Now you'll see details about your current plan. This could be Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. To upgrade your subscription, click the Upgrade Your Plan option. You'll see a comparison of available plans with features listed under each one. Review the features carefully to decide which plan fits your business needs. Once you choose your new plan, click the Upgrade button and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. After confirmation, your new features will be activated immediately, and your billing will be adjusted accordingly. If you want to downgrade your plan, the steps are very similar. Go to Subscriptions and Billing again. This time, look for the Downgrade option next to your current plan. Click on it, review the features you may lose, and confirm your selection. Make sure you understand what tools or reports will no longer be available before confirming. After you confirm, your subscription will switch to the lower plan, and your future billing will reflect the new price. Keep in mind, only the primary admin of the account can upgrade or downgrade the subscription. Also, if you subscribed through a third party like an app store, you may need to manage your subscription directly through that platform instead of QuickBooks. And that's it. That's how you upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials made for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.